Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I thought I'd share a speed clean and organize with me of our nursery slash guest room. The bed that's in here will eventually go into another room so that Grayson has more room, but for now this is what we're working with. I thought today's video could just be mostly music with just a little bit of talking throughout, not very much at all. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you like it and consider subscribing by clicking that subscribe button down below. I thought I'd just quickly mention I can see Grayson from this room and you just can't see me looking over at him frequently, and shortly after this I go in and grab him. So you can see here, I didn't feel the need to have a whole other piece of furniture just to change diapers. So we're just using this guest bed with the changing pad set on top of it as his changing table, and it works out really great. Especially if he rolls over, he's just rolling onto the bed. And the only reason this bed gets messy at all is because Dexter uses it as his laying area to stare out the window. And here I'm getting to the diaper genie. After a year of having this thing, I'm still not sure how I feel about it. It rips the little bags all the time, and I'm constantly just wasting those like refill packages. How do you guys feel about the diaper genie? Do you use one? Do you use something else? Maybe you could leave a comment down below and give me a tip on how maybe I could fix it or use something better. So here I just thought I'd show you quickly some of the little organization. That first bin had some toys in it. I like to rotate his toys out because he's still at the age where I can hide some toys and bring them back and it's like they're brand new. This mat is a wonderful mat that we got as a gift. We're just waiting to move the bed to use it. I also put all of my dresses in here. These magazine holders I use to hold all of those instruction manuals that come with all of the baby stuff. I also have an outlet. We do use it occasionally. Up there we have some some swimming stuff. Oh, and then this bag I had completely forgot was even up there, and completely forgot I had a few things in here that he could be using right now. So I went ahead and pulled those out and put them away in his dresser. We just have some other winter things on top. I don't know what we'll be doing with that. Extra blankets. And then all of his clothes. Most of these are clothes that he doesn't fit into yet. These first little set are ones that I am actually going to pull out because he doesn't fit them anymore. But that whole back side are clothes that are like 18 months and 24 months, which he doesn't fit in yet. And then I like to keep a bag or a box in the bottom of the closet to put all of the things that he grows out of so that I don't have to keep making trips down to our basement every other day when he grows out of something. So I just keep them all here, and I'm going to be taking that out today as well. ask if there's anything you guys use these small like swaddle and receiving blankets for after your baby grows out of them. I'm curious to know if there's anything I could use them for, or if I should just go ahead and store them. In this bottom drawer, I just have pajamas and some random things. That's why I just thought I'd go ahead and tell you about it. So we have pajamas, we have a bunch of pants that we don't really have anything that matches them, so they are just extras. Some other Halloween pajamas, and then there's jackets on the right, and then a pair of jeans. And then in the little white divider piece, I have his sleep sack, and then this is the space where we keep the extra sheets for the crib. Down here is where I keep his shoes, so mainly that I remember to use them. We have 2 little pairs of slippers, his little brown boots, and a little pair of gray boots, or shoes. Aren't these so cute? I got the idea from like Pinterest and Etsy. If you want to know how I did it, I could definitely consider making a video about how I did it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing by clicking that subscribe button down below.